Can we just talk before we get up? Never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're going. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this wig that I have on my head right now. Today's video is in collaboration with Nadula Hair. So thank you so much to Nadula Hair for sending me this wig. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I think about this hair, then keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, this hair was sent to me by Nadula Hair, and they sent me this wig in 24 inches. So I'm 5'5" for reference, but this is where the hair falls on me. Super long on me, you guys. This is their Brazilian straight texture, and it is their regular 13x4 lace front, and it does have 4 combs and lace in the back of the wig, just in case you want to put it in a ponytail, which I love. Right off the bat, this hair was very silky, very soft. This had minimal shedding when I installed this wig. I just used my Got2b glue to just make a quick install, and I did a little bit of baby hairs and a middle part like I always do with straight hair. This hair is actually a really bomb. This is 180 density, so this hair is very thick, which I'm actually loving. I usually stick to 150 during the summer, but this time I got 180, and you can definitely tell the difference. Like, this is full hair, and I think this hair will last a lot longer because it is a lot fuller in density. So I like to prepare my wig on a mannequin head, so I'll show you that right now. So I just wanted to show you guys, I usually do all my prep for my wig on a mannequin head. That is the key to laying your wigs flat, because I use a wand to flatten my wig, and I feel like I can add a lot more pressure and hold it a lot longer than if it was on my actual head. So that is just a tip for you guys. So this wig did come in this pretty pink packaging, which I love. I love pink, and it also came with wig caps, which is nice, and a cute little headband, which I thought was really thoughtful. I really like that. But yeah, this hair is really nice. I love it. This is perfect back to school hair. So this wig is from Nadula Hair on Aliexpress. So I'll make sure that I leave all the links in the description bar down below, just in case you want to purchase this hair. Okay guys, that is the end of my hair review on Nadula Hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check the description bar down below so you can get all the links to this wig, and make sure you like this video if you want to see more hair reviews. Comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one.